Now, I'm going to say this. The call to action in this matter is I need you. I need you to share this. Tag WFAA, tag NBC5, and tag Senator Royce West. Tell them that missing records is a felony under Penal Code 3710, and we won't stop until those records are found and the people who hide them are held accountable. Justice for Richard Brandon Coleman is justice for all of us. Thank you. This is a formal update on the case of Richard Brandon Coleman. We are officially past the point of error and moving into criminal misconduct and a high-level conflict of interest. The vanishing records, the hearing and all of that, we are looking for the records of a surprise hearing led by visiting Judge David W. Evans. This hearing was used to manipulate a man into a plea using threats, literally telling him never see his parents again. Now that record is gone. The record of him being held in the 443rd, I have an email from Sheriff Weiser saying that he never was there and he sat there for 2 years. I've been to the Grand Prairie clerk's office and there's no record that Richard Brandon Coleman ever sat there. I even went to called the Dallas clerks. There's no record. Actually, per the Ellis County felony clerk, who I'm going to protect, no assignment log exists in the 443rd or Dallas per the clerk. Yeah, or the Dallas clerk. I'm going to protect her. I'm going to protect both those ladies. Under Texas Penal Code 3710, tampering with a court record is a felony. Who deleted it? The hidden hand? This wasn't just a judge acting alone. We have proof of coordination between Terasia Stevenson and Cora B. Jakes to weaponize state agencies like OKDHS. They used a ghost arrest in Grand Prairie and off the books jail stay to isolate Richard. We have the audio. I have an audio that confirms manipulation between Terasia. I have text messages of Mrs. Jakes' bottom shelf behavior, and nothing is being done? Okay. We have the audio. We have the dates. We have the proof. The senator's wall. Our representative, Senator Royce West, has a massive conflict here. This close ties to the Jakes family are well known. Because of this, we are bypassing local influence and filing directly with the Texas Ethics Commission and the Texas Rangers Public Integrities Unit. We are demanding a neutral investigation that isn't shaded by political friendship. Please understand, if a senator cannot protect a constituent because of who his friends are, he shouldn't be senator. Share this video. Tag Royce West, Texas Rangers, DPS, WFAA. Tell them no more ghost arrests and no more missing records. Don't come for me. Don't touch me. I'm covered. We are not on the same team. We want the truth for Richard Brandon Coleman, not tomorrow, but now.